Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your TikTok watch history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open TikTok and tap Profile in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three lines button in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Choose Comment and Watch History from the options. Tap Watch History. Here is your TikTok watch history. You can see the date you watched the video in the top left. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.